Good afternoon, comrades. You're out in the forest, you're using your phone, calling people, you're taking photographs, you're taking videos, and then your battery runs down. What are you going to do? Oh, you need a power bank in your pocket so you can charge it up again when you don't have any recourse to an electricity supply. So, today I received in the post this one, a power bank from Iniu. 3 years warranty on it. And let's have a look at it and see what it's like. Okay. There it is. It looks like it's come wrapped in I thought it was grey, but it's not. It's wrapped in a little sort of plastic pocket. Plastic again. And there we are. A little footprint there. Nice texture back on it. Can you see that? And little sort of bulb there, might be a torch, and USB ports, and also a spec in the centre there for charging it up. So that's the in for charging and 2 out, so you can charge 2 things at the same time. Looks like there's a little knob on there. Switching it on, little blue footprint. So it tells you how much charge is there from the footprint that you have. But the less spots that are covered, then the less charge you have left. Oh, it went out. Wonder why that is. There it's on. There it is. It's got a little light on it as well, a little torch. It's quite neat. How do you get it off now? 2 times. Click 2 times. That's what happens when you don't read the manual. Very nice sort of surface on there. Let's see what else they have in the box. So this looks like it's got I don't know what this is. Shimshalabim, I wonder what that could be. What do you think it is? It's got a cover on there, so it fits into the USB port. Let's put it in, see what happens. Wonder which way it goes. Huh. Let's go like that. Oh, it's a magic wand! Look at that. Really quite bright. So I expect that it's for reading because it's flexible. You bend it over like that, and then you have your book here like that. You can put your book on there, and then when you're in the forest or in your tent at night, then you can read your little book without having a torch. I think that's quite an excellent idea, don't you? So Fantastic. Take that one out. So some sort of magic wand type thing. And the other thing in the box is, suppose this is the charger cable, which you can put into USB port, and then that's the one to go into the actual power bank to charge up. So it would go in there into the centerpiece there, like that. Then this end would go into your charger. So that's it. Iniu Power Bank for those times that you're in the forest and need to recharge your phone. I think it looks quite good. And a nice, oh, here's something else. Look at that. It looks like a, what would you call it? A nice little carrying case. Slips in there nicely. Toggle on there. So that's the unboxing of the Iniu and the things that comes along with it. And there's a small user manual, which tells you a warranty card, hassle-free. Press on and off button once to show the remaining power. Press on and off for 3 seconds to turn off the power bank. And enjoy your free gift, which is this USB light. So that's it. All the different things that it has. Well, pleased with that. If it's got a 3-year warranty. Money back guarantee. And all these nice little things to keep it nice and clean and make sure that it doesn't get bent out of shape. There we are. Good. There we are. Protection. Well thought out, well designed. Get yourself one today. No sponsorship. Just looks like it's a good product.